You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
Hello everyone, today I'm gonna change myself from this to this.
Wake up, rewind the night. Who are you? But also kind of who
I will call this a catfishing trick, so yeah, I'm gonna turn myself into an ABG. If you are curious how I'm gonna do it, make sure to watch this video until the end and don't forget to click the subscribe button first.
so the sleep from your eyes, supersize your vibe. Wake up.
I'm gonna start with the base makeup first. When you guys asked me to make an ABG transformation video, I was like, what the heck is ABG? And then I found out it's Asian baby girl who basically love boba, fashionable, look fierce, and love taking pictures. After I finish with the base makeup, I'm gonna draw my eyebrows. I'm gonna make a straight eyebrows instead of the arc one because, like, honestly, arc eyebrows make me look much older. Next, I'm gonna start contouring my face. I need to make my nose look sharper and higher, so I'm gonna apply more onto the side of my nose. And also I'm gonna try to hide my chubby face as well. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm gonna make the eye makeup look more dramatic. First, I'm gonna be applying this shade as the base color all over my lids. And then I take darker orangey shade and I'm gonna apply it on top of it. And also I'm gonna apply it a little bit onto the lower lid at the other corner. And next I'm gonna apply this clear eyeshadow onto the 1/3 of my eyelid by using my finger. Now I'm gonna line my eyes with a black pen liner. And I'm gonna make the line slightly thicker and longer than usual. And then I'm gonna take a brown shade and apply it onto the lower lash line by using a small angle brush. And also I'm gonna apply a little bit around this area to create dimension. Next, applying the falsies. I want the eye makeup look bold, so I'm gonna add dark brown eyeshadow onto the other corner of my eyes. Now I'm gonna apply a dusty pink blusher onto the side of my cheeks and bring it upwards towards the cheekbones. This is the important part. Who doesn't like the glow, right? I'm gonna apply a little bit of dusty pink blusher onto the tip of my nose as well. Last, for the lips, I'm gonna apply a brown lip cream and create a gradation lips by using a Q-tip. And the makeup is done. I'm just gonna fix my hair and put on a tattoo. I actually want to apply bigger one, but I didn't have time to buy it. So yeah, this is the finished transformation.
You have proved that you fight well. Now you can join us.
What do you guys think about this transformation? And if you like it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends because your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Get down, but don't feel down. This is why we can't have nice things like a clean car or world peace. So the sleep from your eyes, supersize your vibe. Wake up, check your phone. Wake up, check your phone.